In today's video, we are going to talk about the counter-rocket, artillery, and mortar weapon system, which is vital on the modern battlefield. Also known as CRAM for short. Countries with this big boy will not allow even a bird to fly unannounced in their airspace. We will take a detailed look at what the CRAM system is, how it works, its components, and the role it plays on the battlefield. We will also discuss how CRAM systems may evolve in the future and the technological developments in this field. If you are ready, let's get started. What is CRAM? CRAM is an amazing system that stands for Counter-Rocket, Artillery, and Mortar. It's designed to detect and destroy enemy fire, including rockets, artillery shells, and mortar rounds. CRAM is used to protect fixed and mobile bases, important infrastructure, and civilian-populated areas. It was first developed by the US military and has since been adopted and used by many countries. CRAM stems from asymmetric threats in conflict zones such as Iraq and Afghanistan, especially in the early 2000s. With this system, militant groups often attack military and civilian targets using rockets, mortars, and supersonic projectiles. To defend against this technique, the US military has done something truly impressive. They converted the Phalanx close-in weapon system, a sea-based defense system, into a land-based CRAM system. This conversion paved the way for the development of an incredible system that can protect land-based. The CRAM system consists of several main components. CRAM uses advanced radar systems to detect enemy rockets, artillery shells, and mortar rounds. These radars are known for their fast response time and high sensitivity. In particular, radar systems such as the ANTPQ-53 and ANTPQ-36 detect enemy fire early and activate defense systems. In addition to radar systems, electro-optical and infrared sensors help to detect targets more accurately. These sensors are particularly effective in low-altitude and night operations. These sensors integrate with radar data to increase target accuracy. Monitoring and evaluation of detected threats are carried out by the Command and Control Center. This center ensures that the most appropriate countermeasures are taken against threats. The Command and Control Center functions as the brain of the CRAM system and analyzes all data to make fast and effective decisions. One of the most important components of CRAM is the firing systems. Usually 20mm or 30mm cannon systems are used. These systems destroy enemy threats in the air with high-speed projectiles. CRAM's firing system is equipped with the land-based Phalanx weapon system, which is the land-based version of the sea-based Phalanx CIWS. This system is capable of firing thousands of rounds per minute. For the CRAM system to operate effectively, adequate ammunition and logistic support must be provided. Continuous replenishment of ammunition and maintenance of the system increases operational effectiveness. The CRAM system activates quickly and effectively when a threat is detected. Here is how CRAM works step by step. Radar systems and sensors detect an enemy rocket, artillery shell, or mortar round. This detection takes place within milliseconds depending on the speed and range of the threat. The detected threat is continuously monitored by radar and sensors. The detected threat is continuously tracked by radar and sensors. According to the target's course and speed, the most appropriate point to be destroyed is calculated. At this stage, the precise position and course of the target is determined. The Command and Control Center analyzes the threat and activates the most appropriate firing system. In this phase, all the data required for the destruction of the threat is calculated. The Command Center sends the necessary orders to the firing systems. Firing systems target the enemy threat with high-speed projectiles. These projectiles are fired with high precision to destroy the target in the air. During firing, the time it takes for the projectiles to reach the target and the movement of the target are taken into account. The fired rounds destroy the threat in the air. In this way, the threat is neutralized before it reaches the target. The destruction of the target is verified by radar and sensors. CRAM systems are used in various military and civilian areas. CRAM protects military bases from enemy rocket and mortar attacks. These systems are especially vital in fixed and mobile bases in war zones. The security of military bases plays a critical role in the success of operations. Strategically important airports and ports are protected by CRAM systems. In this way, critical infrastructures are protected from enemy attacks. Airports and ports are vital for logistics and operational support. CRAM also protects civilian settlements. Civilian settlements, especially in conflict zones, are secured by CRAM systems. The protection of civilian settlements helps to reduce humanitarian casualties. CRAM is also used to protect mobile troops during special operations. In this way, operational security is increased. During special operations, the security of troops must be ensured at the highest level. CRAM systems have been a total game changer in many conflict zones. They've been instrumental in protecting military bases in Iraq and Afghanistan. These systems have been on a mission to destroy countless enemy rockets and mortar shells in the air, keeping military personnel and facilities safe. CRAM systems are cutting-edge technologies that are constantly being developed and updated. The future is bright for these systems. They are expected to become even more sensitive and effective. The integration of cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning is set to take CRAM systems to the next level, boosting their ability to detect and destroy threats. And there's more. CRAM's effectiveness can be further enhanced with the development of laser-based systems. These new technologies are going to revolutionize the way we defend against enemy threats, making our defenses faster and more effective than ever before. Although CRAM systems are effective, they face some challenges. Especially under intense enemy fire, the effectiveness of CRAM systems can be reduced. Furthermore, the constant maintenance and updating of the systems can create logistical and cost challenges. Therefore, CRAM systems need to be continuously improved to make them more robust and cost-effective. The CRAM system has become an indispensable element of the modern battlefield. The protection it provides against enemy rocket, artillery, and mortar attacks is of vital importance in military and civilian areas. With the advancement of technology, it is certain that CRAM systems will become even more advanced and effective. Future developments of CRAM will provide greater protection and security on the battlefield. What do you think about CRAM software? You can write your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you liked our video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more military technology and defense news. Also, if you want to learn more about this topic, don't forget to check out our other videos. See you in the next video.